Okay, guys. Today I will just be sharing information that I know is quite obviously on the Indeed website, which is actually a job, or let me say multiple job roles from the same organization. Yeah, multiple job roles that are cut across care, healthcare, maintenance, banker officer, and several other job roles that are available in the organization. So if you go to Indeed, you can just check sanctuary care. It doesn't even have to be Sheffield. It could be just UK. It could just be England, and you would get as many roles as possible that is available on the website, or about the job or about the company. As you can see now, this is after searching for the company, you can search within UK. This is a care assistant job, for example, and this is in in a residential care home. Residential care home is a place like, let's say for example, an hotel where there are different rooms. So it's an organization where there are different rooms with different residents. So you're just there to take care of the residents. Now they live as a family. That's one. This is another one, graduate development program, and this one is for housing. So it means sanctuary also have an housing unit. So this is an hybrid remote in Birmingham. This is in Birmingham in UK. So this is another role. You can see this is not care. Another one here is graduate development program, also in Birmingham, and you can see this is not also care. And this is another one, graduate development program, new home development. So if you look at all of these things, it's not only care. It could be for any other role. This is another one, graduate development program, commercial. You can see that also in Birmingham. So there are several. You can see another one now, property delivery surveyor. This for a surveyor. This is for a deputy local service manager. So there are as many slots as possible, different job roles. You can see assistant chef. You can see this now, assistant chef. So a lot of people might be going for care, but of course there are other job roles too that people can go for. You can see care team leader night. You can see bank project worker. So you have amazing slots here, and even for this job project worker, you can see it's £11.52 per hour. There's another one, sanctuary care. There is need for a registered nurse in Derby. So you can see this is a lot of a lot of opportunity that people need to embrace. This maintenance assistant. So if you're an engineer, then I think you can still go in for this maintenance assistance. If you're an engineer, you work with the boozers, make sure that anything electrical in the organization is working fine. That's what maintenance does. So that's another opportunity for somebody. So it doesn't have to be care. There are several other opportunities, several other slots that are also earn well and that are also available. As you can see, diploma only certification assessor in health and social care, and that's in Chester, the same company. This is sanctuary supported living in Worcester. That's another chef. You can see that's over £11 per hour. So there are several jobs from this same company, and it's cut across different job career. You can see maintenance caretaker, that's for Manchester. So if you look, you can see now homeless project worker. You can see again. So homelessness project worker, you can see there are several roles, multiple project worker, maintenance operative. Of course, for project workers, project managers will definitely be needed. So you can imagine that's not a care worker's work. It's not for care workers. This is home manager for Worcester. You can see talent acquisition administrator. So you can check all of these job roles to know what they are to do. If something you know that you are good at, Give it a shot, apply for it. You can see scheme manager, service request administrator. You can see all of these things. Fire and security engineer. You see what I'm talking about now. Now, Adasbury. A lot of space here, man. Bank housekeeping assistant, support assistant. This is in Sheffield. S5 sanctuary supported. So if you just go online, check on these things, look at the requirement, look at what they expect of you. If there is a year of experience required for this position, of course, then you'll be able to know if you are good for it or not. If it's the job role that does not require any little or no skill, no experience, you will know from the details of the job role. So if it's something you're good for, give it a shot. Push it out, give it a shot. Look for what you think or what you know you are good at from all of this list. This is a numerous list, really, and this is just the second page from the same company. Say just the second page, so you can imagine. So please, what I would just advise you to do is to first make sure that you have a good CV. Please make sure you have a good CV. If you don't know how to create your CV, please just find out to create CV and shoot your shot for this. If you know you have somebody that needs this, please share with them. Thank you very much, guys.